Moving on to example 11. This is pretty similar to the previous example, but in the I have a tan. So I need to convert this in terms of tan, this in terms of tan. I already have something in terms of tan inverse, correct? So for this I'm going to take it as x, this is my y, and this is my z. Now I'm going to convert this in terms of tan. So I have sine inverse of 12 divided by 13 is going to be my x. Taking sine on both sides, I'll have 12 divided by 13 equals sine x. Correct? Now, equivalent tan x first cos x. So what is the relation? Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So 1 minus 12 divided by 13 the whole square, which will be 1 minus 144 divided by 169. 169 minus 144 and 25. So I have 25 divided by 169. So this is my cos square x. So what will be my cos x? The square root of this. Correct? So 25 divided by 169 to square root 5 divided by 13. What do you know about tan? Tan x is sin x divided by cos x. Sin x oda value enna? 12 divided by 13 divided by 5 divided by 13. So, in that reciprocal 12 divided by 13 into 13 divided by 5. So, the 13 and the 13 will get cancelled. So, I will be left with 12 divided by 5. But tan x oda value kandupidichachu, but tan y veno, correct? So, I will erase this. So, I have cos inverse of 4 divided by 5 is going to be my y. Taking cos on both sides, I have 4 by y equals cos y. But sin y therija tan y kandupidikalama. So, what is my sin y? Sin square y is 1 minus cos square y, correct? So, it will be 1 minus 16 divided by 25. 25 minus 16 and 9. So, 9 divided by 25. This is my sin square y. So, what will be my sin y? The square root of this. So, I will have 3 divided by 5. But tan y enna? It is going to be sin y divided by cos y. What is my sin y? 3 by 5. What is my cos y? Divided by 4 by 5. So, this is reciprocal. I will have 3 by 5 times 5 by 4. So, this will be 3 divided by 4. Now, tan y is super. Now, let me substitute it in the values. So, what do I see? First, in the I have sine inverse of 12 divided by 13 and cos inverse of 4 divided by 5. Now, x is nothing but sine inverse of 12 divided by 13. How can I rewrite my x? I have tan x equals 12 by 5. So, I can write this as x is equal to tan inverse of 12 by 5. Similarly, tan y equals 3 by 4. So, I can write y equals tan inverse of 3 by 4. So, instead of x and y, I am going to substitute these two values. This is the equivalent for sine. Sine is tan. So, what will I have? First, I will add x plus y. So, x plus y is nothing but tan inverse of 12 divided by 5. Tan inverse, okay? 112 tan inverse of 12 by 5 plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b tan inverse of a plus b, which is 12 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 4. The whole divided by 1 minus 12 divided by 4 times 3 divided by 4. Correct? Now, simplify tan inverse of LCM. I will have 20 is my LCM. So, 12 4s are 48 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 20. The whole divided by denominator 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 12 3s are 36. So, 20 minus 36 divided by 20. So, this is going to be tan inverse of 48 plus 15 and 63. So, I have 63 divided by minus 16. The 20 and the 20 will get cancelled. So, I have x plus y to be tan inverse of 63 divided by 16 minus 16. So, this can also be written as taking tan on both sides. Tan of x plus y. Tan of tan inverse of this particular term. So, it will be minus 16 minus 63 divided by 16. Now, I have tan inverse of 63 divided by 16 is going to be my z. So, what will I have? 63 divided by 16 is going to be my tan z. You know that tan of x plus y is going to be minus 63 divided by 16. So, I have tan of x plus y equals tan z is 63 divided by 16 minus 63 divided by 16 and minus tan z. Correct? So, this will be minus tan z. Which quadrant is my tan? Negative, all, silver, tea, cups. So, in my second quadrant, only in my first and the third quadrant tan is positive. So second and the fourth quadrant tan is negative. Correct? Now tan second quadrant le I know that tan of pi minus theta equals minus tan theta. Now this rewrite padalama. What will be my RHS? Tan of x plus y is going to be tan of pi minus theta. In the theta is my z. So tan of x plus y equals tan of pi minus z. Understood this? Now I have tan in my LHS and tan in my RHS. Now angles equate padalama. So what will I have? X plus y equals pi minus z. Bringing the z to the other side, what will I have? X plus y plus z equals pi. Hence proved. What is your x? Sine inverse of 12 by 13. What is your y? Plus cos inverse of 4 by 5. What is your z? Tan inverse of 16 by 13. Sorry, 63 divided by 16 equals pi. So hence proved. Simple. You understood what I did here? First sine tan convert panna. Instead of this x, I found an equivalent x. So x is nothing but sine inverse of 12 by 13, which is also tan inverse of 12 by 5. Adhe mari I found an equivalent value for y. What did I do? X plus y add panna. First I added these two terms. I added x plus y. I found a relation. If taking tan on both sides, what will I have? Tan of x plus y is some minus 63 divided by 16. But in that z equals tan inverse of 63 divided by 16. Value ore mari irukku. Appo inverse eduthu paapom. So what do we have? Taking tan on both sides, I have 63 divided by 16 is tan z. But in that minus irukku. So it will be minus tan z. Minus tan z na in which quadrant is it negative? All silver teacups panna in my second quadrant and in my fourth quadrant. Now I second quadrant edutha. Fourth quadrant la how will it be? Tan of minus theta is going to be minus tan theta. Appo in that it will be tan of minus z. Correct? Tan of minus z vandaduna. When you equate on both sides, what will you get? X plus y equals minus z nu varum, which is not possible. Correct? X plus y equals minus z is not correct. So this is not true. These two are positive quantities. Rendu positive numbers add panna every negative number varum. So you have to rule out the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant pannirundha you would have gotten x plus y equals minus z. In the இடத்துல minus z போட்டா x plus y equals minus z. So x plus y equals minus z is not possible. You cannot add two positive quantities and get a negative number. So அதனால we ruled out fourth quadrant. Second quadrant மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம். Second quadrant எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be pi minus theta. So pi minus z இது equate பண்ணா you get the desired answer. Okay? எந்த quadrant கரெக்ட்டா choose பண்ணுங்க. You will have multiple answers, but which is suitable for the question, which is logical எல்லாமே பார்க்கணும். Okay? Example 12. Tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x plus a sin x. So in that I'm going to divide the whole equation by cos, because appo dhaan enna agum sin by cos varum. I will get a tan. I know relations when it comes to inverse. I know only relations based on tan. Sin and cos la vandu kammiya dhaan irukku. Correct? So ipo the tan convert panna enna agum? When I divide the whole numerator and the denominator by cos x, I will be left with step ah poren. So tan inverse of a cos x plus b sin x divided by cos x. The whole divided by, now the denominator. So I have b cos x plus a sin x divided by cos x. So ipo oru term layum cancel aachuna, what will I have? Tan inverse of the cos x and the cos x gets cancelled. I have a marandradinga plus in the இடத்துல b sin x by cos x, it will be b tan x. The whole divided by, here I have cos x and cos x cancel aachuna, b plus a divided by sin x cos x. So I'll have a tan x. Okay. Now I'm going to divide the whole equation by b. You'll understand why. Dividing the whole equation by b. So enna irukum? Tan inverse of a divided by b plus in that b cancel aidum. So plus tan x. The whole divided by ingiyum b cancel aidum. So it will be 1 plus a divided by b tan x. What do you notice? In the formula paakradhukku eppadi irukku? What is inside my bracket? This is very very similar to tan inverse of x plus y the whole divided by 1 minus xy. What is my x? X is my, okay, I'll take a and b. I already have x in the question. So I'll take a, b, a, b. What is my a here? Small a divided by small b. And what is my b? Tan x. So in the formula enna? Idhula enna theriyum? Tan inverse of a plus b divided by tan 1 minus ab is nothing but tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Do you agree? This is nothing but in the formula. So idhula substitute panna enna agum? It will become tan inverse of a, which is a divided by b, plus tan inverse of b. What is my b? tan x. So இங்க இருந்து என்ன தெரியுது? இதை simplify பண்ண முடியாது further. So I'll have tan inverse of a by b plus tan inverse of tan of some value is going to be simply the value itself. So this is the answer. Okay, done. Finish. Example 13. Solve அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா you need to find what your value of x is. So இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Formula போடலாமா? So what is my LHS? First I'll solve my LHS. So என்ன இருக்கு? Tan inverse of a plus b is a. Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b is tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. So 2x, 3x. So this is my LHS. So I'll have tan inverse of 5x divided by 1 minus 3 2s are 6. So 6x square. I'll simultaneously write my RHS also. So what will I have? Pi divided by 4. Ingeum pi divided by 4. Now I'm going to take tan on both sides. So appadi panna enna agum? Tan inverse of 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is going to be tan of pi divided by 4. So tan of tan inverse of some value is going to be the value itself. So 5x minus 1 minus 6x square equals tan pi by 4 enna? 1. So you're getting a quadratic equation. If I multiply pannalama, when I cross multiply, 5x equals 1 minus 6x square. Bringing this to the other side, I'll have 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. If I'm splitting the middle term panna enna agum? I need my product to be minus 6 and my sum to be plus 5. Plus 5 na enna pannalam? I can do 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is plus 5. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. After splitting the middle term panna, I'll have 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equals 0. 6x a common adutha x plus 1. Ingeum x plus 1. So I can take minus 1 outside. So equal to 0. In the 6x minus 1 times x plus 1 equals 0. Now what are my values of x? X can be 6x minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Now x order value is 1 by 6 or x order value is minus 1. So I have two values for x. But what do you see? X is equal to minus 1 will not satisfy the equation. Correct? Tan inverse of minus 2 plus tan inverse of minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 எல்லாம் இருக்கா? இல்லவே கிடையாது. டேபிள்லயே கிடையாது. சைனோட ஃபைனல் வேல்யூவே 1 is beginning value is 0. So 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So you cannot have values which are beyond that. So x oda value cannot be minus 1. So the only solution is 1 by 6. So this is the only answer. Okay? You also have to rule out the solutions. வந்த உடனே இதுதான் சொல்யூஷன் போடக்கூடாது. ஓகே, சப்ஸ்டிடியூட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. எந்த ஆன்சர் வருதோ அந்த ஆன்சர் மட்டும் தான். ரெண்டுமே வந்ததுன்னா ஓகே, பட் இந்த கேஸ்ல ரெண்டுமே வரல. ஓகே.